All right, guys, check it out. We're going to go over where the BTC price is headed within the next couple of days here, what it's looking like. Do we have more downside to retrace here? We are experiencing a nice retrace to be expected. Is this going to keep rocking to the upside from where we're at? We're going to go over that right now. I'm going to show you where I'm going to be putting in my next trade because I'm not in a trade quite yet. We're also going to take a look at ETH because, yeah, ETH is looking real potential to be really bullish over there. So let's dive into this, guys. If you're new to the channel, this is Elliott Wave Theory. You're going to see a lot of Elliott. Just join the free Discord, pin in the first comment down below. You'll get access to a free Elliott Wave course that I put together. If you want to learn Elliott, it's right there for you. Also in the free Discord, just click upgrade here. You can check out the premium Discord options and what's included. There's a 4-day free trial of the premium Discord as well, if you want to give that a shot. Let's get into this, guys. Zooming out for 1 second. 1 second. Big picture. Not going to stress it too much, but I'm looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm looking for this to be a finished impulsive wave. That's the general structure. And then from there, you know, once we get up to these targets, guys, it could be a serious pivot point for crypto and BTC and whatnot. Just, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But right now, let's focus on the immediate price action. Before I was looking at this as being a correction for a flat. We were looking for this down move. We were looking for this down move, and then coming up, taking the high out in the form of a correction. So we get a correction down, correction up, impulsive wave down. This would be a flat. Just a big time correction on a more major degree right there. That's your correction. And then we pump up impulsively for our final fifth wave 5, right? For me, that's slightly changing. Just with how deep Ethereum went, how deep altcoins went, I don't know if I see a move like that coming anymore. What I do see, and what I've been saying on my past couple of videos, since, you know, beginning of last week, I'm looking at this more as a series of 1-2s, 1-2, 1-2, a series of, 4-5s, 4-5. This is another 4. We're going to get another 5. Just increasing the height on these higher highs. And this should, for all intents and purposes, be the last real run up, the last real wave. How high this goes, guys, is, up for debate. 120 is a nice target. We can slightly break the high and just hit 115. With how high I see ETH pumping, I'm looking at, 140. Got girls blowing up my phone. All right, hang on. 140, and then, from there, the highest I can see this going is 170 at the 14272. But we'll see, right? But that's what I'm looking for here in this wave. I'm looking for this to be an impulsive wave to the upside, right? An impulsive push to the upside. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, or this could be done here and we're coming down for a deeper correction. All right, so we're gonna go smaller time frame in 1 second, but the overall, I'm looking at a 1, 2 here. Are we finished with this correction? Do we got higher to go to finish this one? But then 3, 4, 5, like that's gonna be the general shape. Oops. The general shape of this impulsive wave to the upside. That's what I'm looking for. And, once I see these 5 waves finish, guys, it's game over. It's done. Before we go smaller time frame, we're going to go super small time frame because I'm going to show you where we're at in this wave 1, what it's looking like to me. Again, as I said, I'm not in any trades right now, guys. I'm in no trades. I'm waiting to fire a mega long on this wave. Something I need you guys to be aware of, though, we can take out this low. It can happen. How can it happen? We can call this a WXY, where we have a correction down, correction up. We're putting in another correction down, which we have topped right here. We're looking to come down, take out the low one more time real quick. And it's just going to be a WXY, guys. That's how we're going to label it. But again, even with this wave, I don't see this. This should not come down to like 85K. There's no reason for it. This needs to stay elevated for me, you know, somewhere in this range. If we're coming down to take out this low again, I need this 1618 box to hold here. And that can still be our correction, and then we push up to the highs. There's a whole lot of liquidity up here, guys. I don't know if we're gonna get this move, but just in case it happens, I will be looking here to long. You know, if we just nosedive, right? Just something I want you guys to be aware of. But you know, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it as well. Switching over to Ethereum. Before we go small time frame on the more immediate trades for you, Ethereum is looking like this, guys. I have a correction up. I have a correction down that came right to the freaking low. This is a flat all day in my book. I'm looking for an impulsive wave to the upside. So we have a correction up for our A leg, correction down for our B leg, impulsive leg up for our C leg. I'm looking at 5K, guys. 5K is my target on this. I don't want to get too greedy with it. 5K is still a crazy target. You can get to the 1618 box at 6100, 6K. But you know, I'm looking more so for just a nice little quick break of this high here, You know, where's that going to come in at? About 5K, 5200, 5500. That's what I want to see. That's what would look good for me. That's what would be a finished diagonal wave done. Am I on log scale? I am. Let me switch to regular. No. Okay, so the 1618 on regular is 5300. There we go. That's better. And this channels very, very nicely here on regular scale. Come right up to the top of this trend line. Guys, this just looks like a beautiful target. Quick break of the high. Let's pump up there. Let's get this party on the road. Let's get the show on the road, I think is the saying. Sorry about that. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4... correction up 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finishing up a diagonal here. When we top out here, guys, get that. I'm telling you right now. If this happens, when this happens, I don't know why I keep clicking that. If this happens, when this happens, I'm gonna be screaming, get out of this market right now. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I see a finished structure. I see, you know. I'm hoping things change. But I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm seeing something like this, guys. I'm not even kidding you. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it too. But more immediately, catch this pump. It looks good. Going over to BTC, smaller time frame. If you know, also, you know, I haven't put any trades in on this, guys. If you are looking to trade this stuff, I urge you to check out Blowfin. Check out BitUnix. They are both no KYC exchanges. They're the best no KYC exchanges out. The links for you are down, pinned in the first comment down below. I give you guys the best promotions available on these exchanges. I annoy them for the best promotions available. Here are the promotions. BitUnix. Pause your screen, read it. Free money. Also, you get VIP 2, 15% off your trading fees when you use the link. Blowfin, deposit bonus, trading bonus. This is massive. You will not find a better bonus out there right now. I can guarantee you that, guys. Pin in the first comment down below. Go check out these exchanges. Give them a try. I use both of them. All right, back into the smaller time frame stuff. So for BTC specifically, what I'm leaning towards, guys, is this is a 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 coming up for 5. You know, my 1, 2 was kind of shallow. Get a little alternation. Someone correct me in the comments. I used to always say alteration. I don't even know why. I know it's alternation. Thank you, whoever that was. Appreciate you, boss. A little bit of alternation. You guys know what I meant, though. You know what I meant. And then get our 5th wave right here. That's what's looking good to me right now, guys. It's probably going to pump into this fair value gap. Like, I'll just say that right now. I really wanted to see this correct lower with Ethereum. Do I think Ethereum's going to come up and bust its local high? I don't think so. I can show you that chart as well, I guess. But, you know, this would be a nice finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks beautiful. Then, once we hit this fair value, let's correct down. I mean, it all it has to be is something like that. But, yeah, we can dump lower. You know, we can put in more of a triangle. Something like that, and then go. You know, that could be our correction. But either way, I'm looking for a break of this high. You know, if we get a little pullback, I might try to play this. I didn't put any trades in on it yet because I was looking for this to come a little lower here. But now that it looks settled in here, yeah, probably gonna come up for wave 5, and then correct down, and then rally. But you know, this is the wave you want to catch. If you miss this, you know, whatever. Yeah, this could just pump right through, sure, but I wouldn't stress yourself out trying to get into a position here. But definitely a nice little trade, for sure. Just like this dump was a nice little dump today. Really, this is the trade you want to be in. All right, guys. That's all I have for you today. I just want to update you on what I'm seeing on these charts. I think, you know, things are going to be looking bullish here. You know, I gave you the alternate plan if this low breaks. Still overall bullish, in my opinion, for this final leg to the upside. Let's get it. I want to see Ethereum absolutely rally. Trade safe, everyone. Hope you make a lot of money. I love you. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.